Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna give y'all a little, I guess redneck exhaust, I guess you would call it. But yeah, I basically put a different exhaust on the Avalon. As you see, it's very quiet. Not actually much louder than stock. But here, let me show you what I did. I should have went to a muffler shop. It'd have been about the same price, if not cheaper. Get a nice DC tip. I think it was like $22. Then you've got two 18-inch 1 7/8 pipes. Yeah, two of those. Pretty much that's it. Could be worse, but yeah, I mean, for a straight pipe, this thing is very quiet. Very, very, very quiet. See if y'all can get set up on something. But yep, that's pretty much it, YouTube. That's the true redneck straight piping in, like in a nutshell. Got like a 4-inch tip, maybe, probably more like a 3. But actually doesn't look bad. As you can see, I tucked in the bumper a little bit so the pipe can just sit there. But I still might go back to where it is factory. Kind of ruined the muffler, but other than that, later guys.